Do you know, when you fall asleep at night, the money sitting in your bank account is slowly dying? Not disappearing, not getting stolen, just losing its power. And the scariest part? You wake up the next morning, check your balance, and everything looks exactly the same. Same numbers, same digits, same comfort. But in reality, you are poorer than you were yesterday. You believe saving money is safe, responsible, smart. That's what you were taught. That's what everyone tells you. But what if I told you the system you trust the most is the reason you're falling behind? In this video, you'll see something most people never realize: how your money is silently losing value and how you can break free before it's too late. Let's slow down for a second. Think about your life a few years ago. Food was cheaper. Transport was cheaper. Life felt lighter. Now think about today. Everything costs more. Every bill feels heavier. Every expense feels painful. But here's the real question. Did your money grow the same way? Or did it stay exactly where it was? This is called inflation, and it's one of the most dangerous forces in your financial life. It doesn't attack you suddenly. It doesn't shock you. It slowly eats away at your money, day by day, year by year. Imagine holding a piece of ice. At first, it feels solid, safe, stable. But slowly, without noise, without warning, it melts. That's your money. Your bank balance stays the same, but the value of your money does not. If inflation is around 7%, your money loses half its value every 10 years. So your $100,000 today becomes $50,000 in real buying power, which means you didn't spend anything, you didn't make mistakes, you did everything right, and still, you lost. That's the game. Your bank gives you 4 to 5% interest, and you feel safe. But look deeper. If inflation is 10%, you are losing 5% every year. The bank uses your money to generate profit and gives you just enough to keep you calm. You're not growing. You're not even standing still. You're slowly falling behind. It's like running on a treadmill, sweating, trying, moving, but staying in the same place. Or worse, slipping backward. Now let me tell you about Jake. Jake is smart, careful, disciplined. He avoids unnecessary spending. He saves consistently. He feels proud. Over time, he builds $50,000. He tells himself, "I'm doing the right thing." 10 years later, it becomes $70,000. He smiles. He feels successful. But something changed, quietly, in the background. The same house he wanted now costs $100,000. The same lifestyle is now more expensive. So what really happened? Jake didn't move forward. He moved backward. Jake saves money, but Ryan grows money. Ryan started exactly the same. Same salary, same opportunities, same life. But Ryan understood one thing: money must move. So he invested. Not aggressively, not blindly, just consistently. His money worked, even when he slept, even when he did nothing. Small growth, turning into bigger growth, turning into exponential growth. After 10 years, Ryan's $50,000 becomes $150,000, even $200,000. He didn't just survive inflation, he defeated it. In today's world, saving money is slowly losing money. If your money is not growing, you are shrinking, no matter how much you earn. This is why people say, "I earn well, but I'm still broke." It's not income, it's strategy. So what should you actually do? Step 1. Keep only 6 months of expenses in your bank. This is your emergency fund, not your investment. Everything beyond that should not sit idle. Step 2. Kill lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, don't let your spending grow with it. Expensive things make you look rich, but quietly make you poorer. Step 3. Invest simply. If you don't understand complex investing, start with index funds. Let your money grow with the economy. Invest just $500 a month for 20 years, and you could have over $500,000. But leave that same money in the bank. It loses its value, quietly, slowly. In 2026, investing is not optional. It's survival. Stop just saving money. Start making your money work. Because banks are not designed to make you rich. They are designed to use your money to make themselves rich. The choice is yours. Will you stay in the system, or will you break it? Subscribe to Cashnix. We make money simple.